Namaste. I am Bharanishri.
I am Edilarasi.
You are watching KPRBS Times. Welcome to today's news bulletin where we bring you latest updates. Let's go with today's top stories.
Business and finance headlines. Pfizer clinches $10 billion deal for biotech startup Metsera. Pfizer has outbid rivals including Novo Nordisk to acquire the weight loss drug developer Metsera Therapeutics. The acquisition strengthens Pfizer's portfolio in metabolic and obesity treatment, one of the fastest growing segments in global pharmaceuticals. Rivian CEO gets record-breaking pay package worth up to $5 billion. Electric vehicle maker Rivian has approved a new compensation plan for CEO RJ Scaringe tied to long-term growth targets. The move underscores Rivian's confidence in scaling production and competing with EV giants like Tesla and BYD. Economic and trade headlines. Global market shows cautious optimism amid US economic uncertainty. After a turbulent week, major indices recovered slightly as investors weighed weaker consumer sentiment data against hopes of an AI-driven productivity boom. Analysts say volatility may continue until the US government shutdown ends. Malaysia reaffirms its neutral stance in global trade and politics. Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim announced Malaysia will continue balancing relationship with major economics, maintaining neutrality amid growing US-China tensions. This strategy aims to boost trade while avoiding geopolitical entanglements. Political headlines. US government shutdown worsens disruptive flights and delay in public services. The ongoing shutdown has led to thousands of flight cancellations and service delays at US major airports. White House advisors warn the economic impact could exceed earlier projections if a funding deal is not reached soon. Indian Prime Minister Modi visits Bhutan to strengthen bilateral ties. The visit focuses on cooperation in renewable energy, education, and digital infrastructure, reaffirming India's commitment to supporting its Himalayan neighbors' development goals.
Education and AI headlines. England to add AI in their school curriculum. Schools across England will teach students how to identify fake news, use AI tools responsibly, and improve financial and climate literacy. India leads the world in AI learning adoption power. According to Google, more than 2 million Indian students now use Gemini-based guided learning tools. Health headlines. Arizona Utah measles outbreak, the second largest in the US for this year. Over 150 cases have been recorded so far. The authorities of health to intensify vaccination campaigns issue travels authorities. Pfizer's new acquisition boosts focus on obesity and metabolic health. Alongside its Metsera purchase, Pfizer announced plans to accelerate trials for novel weight loss treatments. Sports headlines. Dhoni to continue in 2026 of IPL, confirms Chennai Super Kings management. Cricket legend Mahendra Singh Dhoni will play one more IPL season, delighting fans and extending his record as one of the league's most successful captains. Manchester United star Kobe Mainoo draws transfer interest from Serie A. Italian clubs are reportedly eyeing the young midfielder for a potential loan move.
Here ends today's news. Thank you for watching KPRBS Times.
Stay tuned, stay updated.